tail whip, you got to get the action of putting your feet there and then flipping it with that foot. But if you do it the other way, you have to sit with that foot, obviously. So what you want to do is just jump up and just stay like that. And do that a couple of times so you get the hang of it. And then the second bit is when you tail whip, you have to learn to get your feet back on. So when you do that bit, what I showed you just before, you need to get your feet on like this. Oh, stuff that one. But yeah, you gotta try and get your feet on the deck like that. So yeah, and then when you get like the hang of that, you can do big things like this. I'm Nick and that's how to tail it.